Hello everyone, my friends. You're on the Velour channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the place command. This command creates various structures. You can find the structure names on the internet by typing, let's say, all place commands for Minecraft, right? There, just type it out, all place commands for Minecraft. There. On this site or any other, you'll find a complete explanation of the command. There. And so, accordingly, you can get a closer look at it here. Yes. So I can type place future and then write whatever we want. Yes, you can choose from a bunch of options here. Then after that, I'll write in the coordinates that are near me and type true. You don't even need them. It's that simple. As you can see, you can't use this command in all locations. Let me just try using this other command. Look, I've planted a tree. But you can leave any structures there. For example, I can actually spawn a structure. Let's use a structure like ruins. We put the coordinates here, true, and there we've spawned the train ruins. That's just how it looks. There, well, of course, you can do whatever you want inside. Besides that, you can also spawn ruins. This is how it'll look. Now, there are more interesting structures in the Java version, while in Minecraft Bedrock there are only two. In the Java version, you can even spawn entire villages. That's all for now. Velour was with you. Goodbye, everyone.